Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to show you guys a sneak peek at what Kirkland's has put out first for fall 2020 decor. This video is just a sneak peek. It's very short and sweet, and if I'm being honest, I have never felt comfortable filming in Kirkland's before. I absolutely adore this store. It feels a little bit odd to film in here for whatever reason, so I hope that you will enjoy just a quick little video, and I'm gonna try my best to come back here when they put everything out, because I know they still don't have everything. It's just a little bit right now, but what they have is super cute. I have always thought that Kirkland's has the cutest pillows. They can get pricey though. Sometimes they can get up to $30+ and other times they're a bit more reasonable for like $16.99 or $19.99, but I do feel like they're really good quality. My favorite one this year is this one that says welcome to our home for, I think it said $16.99, but that little pumpkin in the center is like a velvety material. However, my fiance despises decor that has words and quotes on it, so I've tried to really get away from that, but I may have to sneak that one by him and hope he doesn't notice. So I'm saving my favorite item to show you guys last, so make sure you stick around until the end of the video to see that. But my runner-up favorite, and maybe even tied for first place, is this sign with the truck and the football stuff in the bed of the truck. I don't even decorate with the truck theme, but it just felt so nostalgic seeing that. It reminded me of high school football, which was so big at the high school that I went to, and I don't know, it instantly brought back memories, and I adore that piece, and I may have to get it. But I wanted to show you guys these little monogram pumpkins. By now you have to know that Dollar Tree carries pretty much the same thing for a fraction of the price. So definitely check out Dollar Tree first if you like those. So this is a really interesting collection from Kirkland's. I really like it actually. It has so many different style influences. I feel like it's a bit modern, but it has traditional colors, and it also has a little bit of a bohemian vibe to it too. So I really like all of those styles, and so I really love this collection, and I'm really into this navy blue that they're doing. I just think it's a really fresh color for fall, but it still kind of has a traditional feeling to it as well. So I'm really into this collection. Like I said, I think it's really cute, and I think a lot of you guys will like it too. So check out this massive welcome sign. This is $59.99 and I'm pretty sure that was taller than me. So it's definitely a very large piece. Actually, all of these signs I'm going to show you are. This blue and rust pumpkin one definitely gives me the bohemian feeling. So if you're into that style, I think you will like that. And this pumpkin patch sign is very large as well. I really like this sign, and it's $29.99. So I think that Kirkland's always has the best fall and Christmas wreaths. They just can get a little bit pricey. So this one is $65, but thankfully Kirkland's does offer sales a lot of the times and coupons, so definitely check their website. I use Retail Me Not to check for coupons, and they will send out emailer coupons too, so definitely sign up for those. So you guys, this is my favorite piece, what I was saving for last. I adore this. It's kind of like a copper color, and if you've been on my channel for years now, then you know I love all things copper. I don't decorate with it as much as I used to, but my heart still skips a beat when I see copper. So you just may see that in a haul video. I didn't pick it up today. I'm gonna wait for a sale if I end up getting it, but I just adored that. So that is it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this sneak peek. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know where you want me to go next, and I'll catch you in a future video. Bye now.